Thank you, Tarnaji, for this wonderful platform where we all can share our stories of transformation to understand each other better. I've always felt that if women come together as one, a lot can happen in the society in regard to empowering them. Beautiful stories of women standing together and uplifting the society fill me with pride, and I wish more and more women get the strength to stand together. About myself, my name is Sheetal, and I was born and groomed in Shimla. Being from a small town, my ambitions were not small. Since childhood, my father would involve me in all kinds of decision making in all sort of family matters, and this instilled a lot of confidence and clarity in me. I got married at the age of 23 at the onset of my career, and it turned out to be the biggest mistake of my life. But I feel that correcting a mistake on time is better than letting it become a blunder. We separated and I moved to Toronto with my 5-year-old son alone. Enrolled in a design degree, managed work, son's school. It was challenging, but I loved it as it made me internally stronger. Until one fine day, I returned from my college and saw that my son hadn't eaten since morning, and it was almost 6 p.m. in the evening. Something inside me felt deep pain. I immediately took leave of extension from my degree. It was painful because I wanted to become the best interior designer. I did shed some tears, but then it opened something within me. I realized how life is about karma and somehow felt that the highest karma is motherhood. I felt liberated within, and spending time with my child rather than my work was absolutely more fulfilling and rewarding. He has taught me so much in life. I call him my little yogi. There were memories, there were moments when I would feel angry and disappointed, but then yoga entered my life at the right time. I understood the beauty of being a woman, a mother, wife, every role. I found the most beautiful companion and I married again. My search for true love had ended long time back when I realized how complete I was within myself with the regular practice of yoga and touching higher dimensions of life. I needed company or a co-traveler to share my joy and happiness rather than becoming a parasite on him and, trying to fill that void within me. No, I wanted a co-traveler and it only happened with yoga. I'm now a full-time homemaker and caring for my family, doing my home my way, cooking for them, helping my husband in his biz if time allows, and I'm loving it the most. I wouldn't say it came easy because how we conditioned, schooled, etc., and how the society influences us. For example, trying to become better than men. Don't take me wrong, but why should we do that? Why cannot we enjoy being a woman, the flowers of the human species? Why become like men or better than them? I've run my own business in the past where I had more than 30 employees and trust me, it was financially rewarding but internally very stressful. I personally feel as a woman I enjoy doing art, music and any kind of creative work much more than economics. I find expression of my internal happiness and joy in it. It makes the experience of my life much more beautiful. Life teaches us new lessons moment to moment, and my goal is to make every moment extremely pleasant. Going out and working is not something which I will not be able to do, but it's not my choice anymore because I feel every individual has own definition of success, and for me success means evolving, growing stronger within. I've failed many times in life, but my failures taught me better lessons and call my failures bigger successes. I wish all women a very happy and successful family life as well as work life if they choose to do so. Not every woman needs to go out and work. It should be a personal choice, and for that our society must evolve. We are women, passionate, loving yet fierce. Let love be our dominant quality, and for that our men should support us. I wish individual transformation to all, for our societies to transform and our coming generations to be much better and beautiful beings than us. Thank you.